how do we program a crystal?
So basically, there are again various ways, but before using any crystal, you just hold the crystal on your non-dominant hand, put it here like this, cover it with your right hand, and just ask whatever you want. Again, why you put your right hand if that is going to be your question? So whenever we get hurt, we always cover our hand like this. Like if I'm getting hurt here, I always put my hand. Why? Because we all have healing power.
So we're basically giving energy from our hand to that crystal. So like if you want to program a crystal, you will just take the crystal in your non-dominant hand. You will cover
Put
it
my
with the
dominant
other
hand. Yeah.
Hmm.
And just give my intention or program to it. This is like a money magnet race, like for me. So I just cover it and I just say it. I'm attracting, high paying clients, of course. I'm attracting more clients. I'm attracting more high paying clients. I'm attracting unlimited orders, or, like I'm attracting busy schedules. So this is what I put my intention. The other one is again for opportunities. The other one is for protection and abundance. So I give those kind of intention to it.
Okay, so basically intention means affirmations related to
Yeah,
that
affirmation
particular
or
goal you have.
manifestation, but you need to remember certain crystals have certain properties. You cannot ask a cat to bark. You cannot
Right.
ask a dog to meow. So exactly
Hmm.
that way, crystals have different properties. More or less, all crystals have protection and healing properties. But slightly those are different. Like green aventurine is good for attracting opportunity. Carnelian is good for confidence and courage and attraction. So it can be attraction throughout. Like to
Okay.
attract a partner, to attract friends, to attract colleague, to attract
Okay.
project, that way.